yogis. Today I'll be explaining Virabhadrasana III for you, the Warrior 3 pose. I'll break it down into 4 parts to strengthen your body, the parts which are needed, and then in the end, I'll teach you the complete pose, the easy way to do it. Let's start with the first part, which is strengthening your legs and your ankles. You'll start with standing in Tadasana. Now, if you want to know what is Tadasana, go back to my videos. You will find a video about Tadasana there. Inhale, take your arms up. Now stretch your arms, don't keep your elbows bent, but keep your shoulders relaxed. You can keep your arms up or you can join your palms together. Both are fine, but don't do that. That is absolutely rubbish. Stretch your arms. Inhale. Take your right leg up. Now focus on your ankle. Hold it. Five breaths. And then take your arms down, take the leg down. Ankle, leg strength, and of course concentration. You cannot be thinking of many things. You cannot have many minds, because many minds, each mind is a person within yourself. One is your work person, one is your relationship person, one is your hobby person, one is a hungry person. So there are many minds within yourself. Don't be everywhere. Concentrate and try to become one when you're doing yoga, because yoga is one, a union to make you one. Inhale again, take your arms up, stretch your arms, and then take your left leg up. Same, don't do that. Control your ankle, keep your legs firm, concentrate. And after 5 breaths, take your arms down, take the leg down. Now practice this a few times so you feel you're not shaky. You don't want that. After that, take 2 breaks. Place them in front of you. And then inhale, take your arms up. Keep your hands on the bricks. Now again, you're working with 5 breaths, working first only with your legs. Take your right leg up. Lift your chest. Push your heel out. Feel your back. Take the leg down and change. Again, 5 breaths. Take the leg down. Practice this a few times, and then you will add an element of one arm at a time. So, one arm, one arm. What I mean is, right leg up and left arm out. So not the same leg, it's the opposite. Lift your arm, lift your leg, and then change. 5 breaths. And down. Practice this a few times, because practice makes perfect. Once you have the understanding and the strength of the first, the second, and the third part of the exercise I showed you, then you are ready to go in the pose. It becomes very easy to do it, but if you jump steps, it takes a longer time to do it. Always remember, shortcut is a long cut. It is never short, it is never quick. You're standing in Tadasana. Inhale, take your arms up. First, take your right leg out. And then take your right leg back. Now observe. The body is in one line, more or less. Because the leg is not here, the leg is not up there, it's in that one line position. You should feel it. Less, you will feel less, more, you will feel more tension. Back, and then the whole body should move together. Control your ankle of the standing leg. And back and down. What you did in the first three parts, if you put it together, you get this. Practice. If you have any questions, drop a remark, I'll answer you.